Solutions to equations. One solution, no solution, or infinite many solutions. Let's start by solving 5x minus 6 equals 14. Our goal is to isolate our variable, so we need to get rid of minus 6. To do that, we add 6 to both sides. We're left with 5x equals 20. Now we need to get x by itself. To get x by itself, we divide by 5. We have to do that to both sides. We are left with x equals 4. In this scenario, we still have our x value, and it is equal to one number. So that means only one value makes the equation true. When you have one solution, you will still have your variable. X equals or y equals or some letter is equal to a number. That means you have a solution, meaning one solution. Let's take a look at an example of a no solution situation. We are going to start out by solving the equation like normal. I started by distributing the 2 into the parentheses. I got 2x plus 10. Now I need to get all my variables to one side and all of my numbers to the other side. So I want to get rid of the 2x on this side and move it to the left. I'm going to subtract 2x from this side so that I can move it to my left. When I did that, not only did my x's cancel on the right, but they also cancel on the left. In a no solution situation, your x terms will cancel out and you will be left with a not true statement. For example, 10 equals 7. That is not true. 10 does not equal 7. 10 and 7 are not the same number, so that statement is not true. That means we have no solution. No value is going to make this equation true. Now let's look at an infinite solutions example. You are going to start out by solving like normal. And in this situation, the x's cancel out, but we are left with a true statement. That means we have an infinite solution situation. And if you notice in the purple box, after I combined like terms, I ended up with the same thing on both sides of the equation. 5x minus 6 equals 5x minus 6. So at that point, if you notice that you have the same thing, you can also identify that it is infinite solutions. If you don't notice it there, that's when you can solve by trying to move your letters to the left. And then you'll realize, okay, all that's left over here is negative 6. All that's left over here is negative 6. Well, negative 6 does equal negative 6, meaning this is true. That means any value you put in for x will make the equation true. If the left side equals the right side, it is an infinite solution.